57. Radicchio 1 serving equals 100 g. Very high in vitamin K, 319% recommended daily intake per serving. High in copper, 17% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of vitamin C, 13% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of zinc, 7% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of manganese, 7% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of magnesium, 5% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of potassium, 302 mg per serving. 58. Radishes, 1 serving equals 61 g, 125 ml. Source of vitamin C, 15% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of folacin, 7% recommended daily intake per serving. Fat-free, 0.1 g per serving. 59. Rutabaga. Rutabagas are an excellent source of vitamin C and a good source of potassium and magnesium. 1 serving equals 74 g, 125 ml. High in vitamin C, 31% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of magnesium, 7% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of potassium, 249 mg per serving. Fat-free, 0.2 g per serving. 60. Salsify oyster plant, 1 serving equals 56 g, 100 ml. Source of vitamin B6, 9% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of vitamin C, 8% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of vitamin B2, 8% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of folacin, 7% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of fiber, 2 g per serving. Fat-free, 0.1 g per serving. 61. Shallots, 1 serving equals 68 g, 100 ml. Source of vitamin B6, 13% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of manganese, 10% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of vitamin C, 9% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of iron, 6% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of magnesium, 6% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of potassium, 226 mg per serving. 62. Snow peas, 1 serving equals 85 g, 125 ml boiled. Very high in vitamin C, 68% recommended daily intake per serving. Very high in vitamin K, 26% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of iron, 12% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of fiber, 2 g per serving. Sodium free, 3 mg per serving. Fat free, 0.2 g per serving. 63. Sorrel dock, 1 serving equals 338 g, 1 radish. High in vitamin C, 45% recommended daily intake per serving. High in magnesium, 23% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of iron, 10% recommended daily intake per serving. Sodium free, 2 mg per serving. Fat free, 0.4 g per serving. 64. Spaghetti squash. 1 cup of spaghetti squash has 42 calories. It is a source of fiber and contains vitamin C and vitamin B6. 1 serving equals 1 cup. Source of fiber. Source of vitamin C. Source of vitamin B6. 65. Spinach. A cup of spinach has 7 calories. It is a good source of vitamin A, is extremely high in beta-carotene and vitamin K, and is high in folate. 1 serving equals 85 g, 2 cups. High in vitamin C, 35% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of iron, 15% recommended daily intake per serving. Fat-free, 0 g per serving.